My creative practice is exploring the impact of technology in our society. So like in the case of a piece like Publix, I'm taking a surveillance mechanism and turning it into a tool of advocacy. These surveillance cameras, instead of surveilling the museum environment, is being handed over to the surveilled community of criminalized and marginalized migrants as a private access for them to be present and see and be represented. We're enabling ways to occupy institutional spaces as civic space. But I think that by hacking into the technologies that are available to me, subverting their technological intent, so to speak, I can expose things about them to create new meaning. But I can also redefine the potentials that are available to us. Within the Strata series, DACA students as well as undocumented community members can participate and collaborate with the work by uploading and providing vocal arrangements. I then will interpret those recordings into a generative animation that then is played back upon the LED sculpture surface. The voice becomes an entire spatial, physical experience in the museum. It's a way of seeing as listening. We are setting up a way of interpreting the voice that is completely anonymous and creating a bridge and mechanisms of being present in the institution and represented in the institutional space through the artwork. Technology and the social realm is a particularly important set of research tools for me, and the theoretical and the research papers are important and contribute to the artwork that I'm making. But I think that the artwork also contributes as well through a different discipline, which in exchange between disciplines offer all of us greater opportunities to grow and innovate.